welcome to Polycon 18.
Thanks, it's great to be here.
Thanks. Can you let us know your name, title, and what you're best known for in the blockchain space?
My name's Greg Gilman. I'm one of the founders of Science Blockchain and of Science Inc. And in terms of what I'm best known for in the blockchain space, probably doing the first securities token for a blockchain incubator, which we launched in the middle of 2017, and the sale completed in November of 17.
Very cool. In one line, what can you say about Polymath?
I'm very interested to see what they can do when this whole thing is really up and running.
Okay, perfect. Can you tell us a little bit more about how you're involved with Polymath?
We're considering doing a partnership or a joint venture with them to explore future securities token offerings.
Okay, and on the security tokens, how do you think the security token market is going to disrupt the cryptocurrency space?
I think you'll see a lot more companies looking to do securities offerings rather than trying to wedge in some type of utility offering by jumping through a bunch of hoops to make it look like anything but a security. Mm-hmm. When there's actually a functioning or many functioning alternative trading systems up and running, so there's liquidity for securities tokens. It's just much easier for companies to do a security token offering than try to backdoor into some utility scheme.
Yeah. On that point about security and utility, what do you think about the future of ICOs? Security, utility, and why do you think that?
I think the majority of token offerings will end up looking like securities offerings. There's a much more developed framework from a legal and regulatory perspective for securities token offerings. Mm-hmm. And quite frankly, I think it'll be much easier for a lot of companies to engage in securities token offerings than it will be for companies to try and create a utility token that works within their closed blockchain system.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And finally, how do you think securities on the blockchain will have an effect on Wall Street and even finance?
Well, I think securities tokens generally represent, for me, the chance to tokenize a lot of traditionally illiquid assets, where it didn't make sense to do any type of public offering for smaller asset classes or asset classes where you have traditionally limited numbers of buyers. So securitizing things that were traditionally illiquid and making them available to an always on 24-hour-a-day global mm-hmm. market could have dramatic and far-reaching effects on Wall Street.
Perfect. Greg, thank you so much.
My
pleasure.